Welcome to our educational channel. So in this video, I will show class 6th CBSE mathematics study material. So in this class 6 CBSE, we have 1 to total 12 chapters. So in these 12 chapters, one chapter question bank and one same chapter assignment. So I will show. For the remaining chapters, if you want the PDF files, you can see the link in description below. So let us see how the study material of this foundation for IIT.com site. So in algebra, let us see this first chapter question bank. So if you observe, now this is the chapter algebra. In this exercise wise, so every exercise wise and every question wise, you have the solutions in study material. Okay, this is completely PDF. Now this is question number 3 and for the particular solution, so immediately or the answer, and question number 4. So you can keep on down. Similarly, you can see the question number next exercise 11.2. So this algebra is 11th chapter, and that question 1, 2. So with clear explanation, all the questions solutions are available here. Okay. Not only this, if you observe the assignments, because once they are gone through the everything in exercise, so we can test the child with the assignments. So let me see, show you the assignment PDF also for you. So if you observe, this total 6 pages. Every exercise wise you have the assignments here. So let's see first exercise. These are the assignment. If you give the child this assignment copy, we can see how they are performing. Okay, this answers also available. You can cut this strip and you can give. Right. In assignment 2 is regarding exercise. So like exercise 1 or 2 exercise wise, assignments are prepared. And this assignment 2 question and give the gap is given to fill the answers. If you take the printout. Solutions are available or answers are available down. You can cut this strip and you can give them to test their knowledge. So it's very helpful for the parents as well as for the students to test their knowledge in this mathematics. So total 6 assignments in this, every page wise. So the space also is given. And one is completely question bank along with the each and every question, the complete clear explanation. Okay, not only 6th class CBSE Maths, if you want other class also, you can go through this website. So you can find out all the classes including the IIT Foundation. Apart from this, IIT JEE MCET material also available, right? And this chapter and other chapters information links also provided in the description below. You just go through and you can come to the site and you can verify.